Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's video is brought to you guys by Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a company based in New York, you guys. Their company was born in 2019. They make luxurious rose boxes of 100% fresh roses. They also use natural oils to preserve their roses. Nothing chemicals. The boutiques are handcrafted, you guys, by professional rose artisans. So their boxes also comes in different shapes. They have round, square, and they even have heart-shaped boxes, and in many sizes from 9 to 49 roses per box. So I'm definitely going to be putting these roses inside of my bedroom. If you don't know, my bedroom colors, my decor colors is black and blue, so this is going to be perfect. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And also don't forget to check out Rose Forever. I will have my discount code across the screen. Go check them out. Get you guys some beautiful roses as well, y'all. They last for a long time, and you don't have to worry about them dying or anything. I'm not sure if I told you guys in the beginning, but Rose Forever also sends you care instructions on how to take care of your roses. And also, I wanted to tell you guys, the less touching you do, the better it is, because the particles on your hands may take away the lifespan from the roses. So don't forget to check them out, and let's get into today's vlog. In the kitchen, y'all, the kitchen is absolutely our favorite part. Refrigerator, and this right here is the price. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and we love it so much. But you guys already know that we need a 4-bedroom. But that's the kitchen. Walking right into the master, you guys. This is the master bedroom, and this is big, y'all. Here is the master bath. Shower. Here is the master closet. Walking right back down the hall, you guys. You get the back door and the washer and dryer area. Here is the second bathroom, you guys. Really, really nice. Okay, here is the second sitting area. And I'm pretty sure you can have this as a sitting area or a bedroom. But we would need a second sitting area. So here is the second bedroom. Here is the closet. I love the closet size because you guys already know that we need all the storage that we can possibly get. Here is the third bedroom, you guys. So honestly, I will give this house a 10 out of 10 as well. It just does not have the extra bedroom that we need. But you guys, I actually really, really do like this house, y'all. I can actually see myself in this house cleaning, doing whatever I gotta do. But yeah, so on to the next.